Hello and welcome back. Let's discuss special event requests. Whether you're looking for stretch limos, vans, or coach buses, you can make the request directly from your Concierge dashboard. Start by clicking on the Special Events tab, and then go to the top right and click New Quote. Here, you can enter all the information for the request. Per each vehicle, you can go up to 50 passengers and 50 bags. By default, the request is point-to-point. However, you can click on the slider for hourly to make it an hourly request. Click on Add Another Trip to add up to 4 legs of the reservation, meaning up to 4 vehicles or 4 different date and times for the request. Once done, click on Request Quote. You have officially entered the request and our team will now work on the quote. Our customer care team will check availability with our partners and get back to you in less than 48 hours. After confirming availability with our partners, LUXY will send you an email with the all-inclusive rate. To book the event, simply give LUXY a call or ask the representative in the email to reach out. After the booking is made, you can view the reservations under your All Rides tab. Thank you, and see you on the next one.